Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add images on Trello, so let's get right into it. The prerequisite to adding images is that you do need to make a board and make a list with some cards, and once you have those cards, you're going to be inserting the images into them. It is done in two ways, but they're pretty much the same thing anyway, so let me show you how that is done. First, you're going to want to click on the card that you want to add the image to, and in my case, I'll add it to enemy layouts. If I click that to get this entire view or this extended menu, call it whatever you want, you can then either click on attachment and then choose a file to upload, or you can click cover and then click upload a cover image, and then you'll be able to choose one from your computer or from your device. If I click that, I'll get into this image folder, and then I'll select this image, click open, and as you can see at the very top, it's going to add it as a cover. You can check the size if you want to. You can change what it looks like. As you can see, if you can see in the background, this is the original one. It's just an image with a cutoff with a card below, or this, it has the name of the card pretty much just overlaid on the image, and it looks much smoother. It just has an image with the name, and then you can click to see further, and that is basically how you add images to your cards. You can also click on it and click remove cover if you want to take it off, but it will still be added in that file or in that card. You can click it again to make it. You can open it in a new tab, or you can delete. If you click delete, you will need to click delete again to confirm it, since it's permanently deleted. But that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.